here is yet another activity for you to practice more on serial. And in this activity, here is what you are going to do. So from the Arduino, you are going to send a counter. So you're going to initialize a counter. Okay, so init counter, and then send it every 500 milliseconds. So every time, of course, you're going to increase the counter and so increment it. So you send 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, and that, of course, from the main loop. On the Raspberry Pi, what you are going to do is, of course, receive and print the counter. So that is the first action. Now, this would be a little bit too easy for you at this point. So what you're going to do is also that every 10 seconds, so every 10 seconds, you are going to reset the counter. So to reset the counter, you're going to need to send a special command to the Arduino. And on the Arduino is that when receive reset counter command, then you reset the counter, of course. So you reset it to 0. And the thing is that those two actions here are completely independent. Okay, so here, as you did in the previous activity, you're gonna send the counter every 500 milliseconds without using delay, and you're gonna, in parallel and in a different action, check if you have received that reset counter command. On the Raspberry Pi, you're gonna do the same. Okay, so in Python, you are not going to use time.sleep for 10 seconds, of course, because if you do that, you're not gonna be able to print the counter for 10 seconds. Okay, so in Python, you're gonna need to do also a non-blocking action every 10 seconds with basically the same structure as we did previously on the Arduino. So in your while true, in the void loop of your Python program, the first action or the second, okay, doesn't matter the order, is to receive and print the counter, and the second action is to reset the counter whenever you have passed 10 seconds. All right, and I will see you in the next video for the solution.